Invoice, stickers, couple of product brochures, installation manual. All right. Looks like it's a Clearwater bandana, maybe. And here we go. Here's the kit. Wiring harness. There's the dimming switch. Some clamps. The lens protectors. Battery connectors. Actually, those are the zip ties. These are the battery connectors. Connection harness. More zip ties. Make it a nice clean installation. And here's the lights. All right. Look at those beauties. Oh, it's gonna be great. And we got the first light mounted on its bracket. Looking pretty tough. I'm digging it. Here's my new Clearwater Darlas, all lighted up, currently on low setting. Why don't we go do a little test drive and see how they look on night. Okay guys, so here I am out on a dark country road. So we can do a nice little test of my new Clearwater Darla lights that I finally got switched on. As you can see, it's pretty dark. You can hear the coyotes going nuts. No one's around. Switch these bad boys on. Yep, that was an owl. And so this is the Darlas turned all the way down. That's at the lowest possible setting. As you can see, it's pretty darn bright. Let's turn them up. I got my toggle switch installed here on the handlebars. Let's turn them up to 50% brightness. Right about there. I got a nice even beam pattern, but it's lighting up a ton of the road, and that's at halfway, that's at 50%. And there's no question that visibility from being a motorcycle rider at nighttime, I mean, look at that. Oh my God. Those suckers are so bright. Let's go for 100%. And wow, holy smokes. that is bright. I mean, it's real dark out here, and I can see really, really well. Hopefully the camera is capturing how well I can see. There is no chance that folks driving at night are not going to see you coming and going with these Clearwater Darlas. Oh my God, that is bright. Jesus. Outstanding. Very, very happy. Very pleased. Now, I'm just running off the battery, so I don't want to kill my battery with these things running. They're supposed to be 2400 lumens a piece. 3 LEDs inside each Darla. Now, the 2400 lumen claim, obviously I have no basis for comparison. I've got a really powerful LED flashlight at home that's supposed to be 1500 lumens. And I mean, what can I say when I'm standing right in the beam pattern? Oh my God, I'm blinded. Awesome. How about we turn the motor on? You'll see it with the headlight. High beams, low beams. Turn the lights all the way back down to 0. With the high beams on, the OEM LED headlight on the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is pretty outstanding. You got a nice wide beam pattern. Throws pretty far down the road. I'm a good 50 feet from the end of the road here with the cones, and I can see really well. And the Darlas don't make too much of a impression here, other than I think if you're an oncoming car, I'm definitely more noticeable. Wow, that's bright. But then if we turn them back up to 50%, they really start to become much more apparent. And oh yeah, now it's like I got the best of both worlds. Turn them up to 100%. I mean, it's so bright that I hope it doesn't disturb oncoming traffic on a remote highway somewhere. I don't want to be the cause of any accidents. I might have to angle those down a little bit. They're so gosh darn bright. We'll do one more. Now this is with the headlight on low beam, and the Darla's at full. And I mean, I can't even look at it out here in the middle of the darkness here. It's so bright that I'm completely blinded. There goes my night vision. Wow, it's pretty bright. Hope you guys saw that. Can you hear the coyotes? They like my new Clearwater lights. You got kids coming up here drag racing. It's kind of funny. Got the cam mounted on the helmet. Let's do one more video test. So I had them turned up all the way. Here we are, they're turned all the way down. It's just the OEM KTM 1290 headlight, which is actually pretty outstanding. So I'll vary the tuner knob and see if we can't get some different perspectives and different lighting conditions on the ride home. Let's turn them up. That's at 100%. I mean, you can see so well, it's crazy. And perhaps most importantly, you can be seen to a much more improved level of safety. That's probably the best selling point about these lights. I mean, I can just see everything. It's fantastic. Anyway, happy with my new lights. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.